Audio Jungle.
Victoria is here with the biggest platform, which is Pikamoon. Before starting the review of this amazing platform, I have to say the congratulations to the Pikamoon CEO, co-founder, Pikamoon community. Officially, the launch of the Pika's game trailer on today, and I have to say the thanks to the Pika's team and community and four co-founders to giving me another chance to display their biggest platform on my channel. So before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request to say you all my upcoming new followers, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So let's start review now. As I have already described about this amazing platform, this is another second video of this amazing platform. So here you can see Pika is trading on Bitget, Max, Uniswap. They are officially listed on Bitget, Max and Uniswap. This is the fastest growing game token in the industry. So here you can see there are beautiful NFTs. How you have to simply play this game and you can earn the Picas token, and then their price will be high and you have to earn lot of more money by investing little between. So there is the NFTs, how you have to play to earn, and these are the Pika past Pikaverse, and these are the Pika rewards, and you can earn by playing this game. These are the partners of the Pika's Moon, that is the Bloomberg, Yahoo, Ethereum, Blockchain, Space Money, Outlook, News, BTC, Analytics, Crypto News, Uniswap, and also Bitget and Max. These are the trailer of the Pika's Moon game, which is officially launched today, and it is coming soon on the Android mobile, and you can play and earns a lot of money. So these are the characters of NFTs. You can also trade by these beautiful NFTs, and you can earn a lot of money more by these. Each NFT cards one of the six elemental forces: air, fire, water, electric, rocks, air, and earth. And each contain lot of more NFTs you can see there. And these are there the all Pika's NFTs. You can see there waters, rock, and electric, and all the air in NFTs in. So here is the all NFT present, and you can research there about more of about these NFTs, and you can play and buy this. How you can to buy this Pika's Moon token? So these Pikas, you have to simply connect your wallet to with the which wallet you have to connect. You have to connect simply yours MetaMask, and you can buy this token. So here you can see their total balance and how you have to the apply for this is claim. This is the Pika's Moon token, which is very native and surrounding in Pikaverse, alongside other special rewards also here, and you can be earned through completing mission within the game. You have to simply play the game, and there is a lot of missions you have to complete this, and you can get their rewards. Once required, to Pika can be used to purchase special in-game item via Pikamu store. So its magic boots, health poison, weapons, and more. These upgrade will help you bolster your play to earn journey through driver. So here is the, you can see there's information about. Here is the Picanomics. You can see the R token holders, distributions tokens, and their price also. These are the basically liquidity pool, marketing, pre-sale ecosystem, staking reward, and also the team advisors about. These are the transaction tax and the tax revenue, which is a 0% on Pika's purchase. However, there is a small 2.5 transaction, which is very minimum, and which is very small last. So here you can see how to make money with NFTs, games, and ultimate guide. What is going on to Pika Moons verse? Here is all about the Pika Moons. So this is So how you have to claim your Picas app post pre-sale phase is completed with the successful conclusion of phase 3. It's time to claim your Picas token, and it is essential for exclusive purchase in the Picas Moon store. So here is the total amount of the Picas token. Here you can see, and this is the total raise of the Picas token. Here you can see 1 Pica is equal to the 1 Pica, and you have to simply connect your wallet. And which wallet you have to connect? MetaMask, and copy this address. You can buy the, you have to claim their all the tokens. So how you have to claim your token? This is a simple way. You have to follow the steps. You have to connect your wallet, and you have to then follow the second instructions to verify the pre-sale participation. When you verify on Picas, though, so you are eligible to their claim, and click claim Picas, and your wallet will promote your confirmation transaction and cover to the gas fee, which is very minimum amount, and upon confirmation Pika will be deposited into your wallet. So token claim phases are the investors from different pre-sale phases have specific waiting periods before they can claim Picas token. Post token generation events is here is, if you have the investors of phase 1, you have to face 60 days waiting period after TG, and if you have the investors of phase 2, so you have to must wait for 30 days post of TG to start their claim. And in phase 3, investors can claim their tokens immediately at TG. So you have to connect their wallet. Investor will see all the Picas token to eligible for their amount. So play beta, also 6 element regions, which I have already described about the fire, earth, air, and you can customize their all the. Here is the all about the Pikamon's gaming story, when this launch officially and when they starts. And this is the how, if you have any Android, you can play this amazing game. So this is the game. Here you have to select your you have to daily, you can earn their really daily rewards claim by playing this. You have to select two players, and you have to play, and you can select your team. You have to play, and you can get a lot of money by playing this the simply. So here is the coin Gcoin officially, officially very famous website. Here you can see they are listed, and price of the Pika, which is 0.002082, which is very lowest, and you have to must buy this. You have to invite your family and friends. You can see their total market cap, their full diluted valuation, 24 hours trading volume. You can see their graph is pumping and it's bluish, and you have to must invite your family and friends. This is the, you can see there the characters of NFT: fire, water, electric, rock, air, earth. You have to play by this NFT, and you can trade by these NFT. I have already described about this. This is the coin market cap, price of the Picas, which is very low, and you can get. Here is the total market cap, which is the 14.93 million, and you can see there 24-hour volume. And this is the contract of official contract address, and here is the graph, which is already bluish and it getting more in futures. These are the Picamon markets. Here you can see there on Max, Bitgate, and all others the official websites. These are the all about the journey story of the Picamon revolutionary on gaming. Here you can see there all the journey about the Picamon. So this is the official Twitter account of the Picas Moon. Now, as I have described, Pika is trading on Uniswap, Max, and Bitcoin. I have followed this, and you have to must follow in their official account. You can get all upcoming news information about this biggest platform you get. And here is also the game trailer, which they have displayed already on their officially Twitter account. So here you can get all information about this biggest platform. This is the official Telegram account of the Picas Moon. You have to must follow this. This is the Instagram official account of the Pika Moon. So here you can see there all information upcoming news about the Pikamoon. Here you can see there's a co-founder interviews officially game launching and interview of CEO of in Pakistan in all the information, all the interviews, Hamas live session in the Instagram account. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.